Today I'm going to show you how to make Stove-top Potpourri and personalize it for that special hostess. To get started, we're going to use our P-touch Embellish to print a personalized ribbon that's going to be the final touch on our jar. So I'm going to use the ribbon function, select the first layout, and I'm going to type a message that says enjoy a magical scent. I'm going to finish my message off with a holiday emoji, and then before I print, I'm going to select the Calgary font. And just like that, we have the perfect message. I'm going to set this aside and change out my cartridges so that I can print on decorative tape to create the instructions for the front of the jar. For the front message, we're going to use the silver lace decorative tape. Next, we're going to use our P-touch Embellish to type out and print the name of the scent that's in the jar, the ingredients, directions for our user, and a sweet message. We're going to fill our jar with oranges, cloves, and cinnamon sticks. All that's left is to add our personal tape and ribbon to the jar. And just like that, you have the perfect personalized hostess gift. And Brother P-touch Embellish made it so easy to personalize. Stay tuned for more easy gift ideas.